Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your HUAWEI MatePad T10s, at the first you have to go for the settings, next scroll down and find System and Updates, click on the language and input, select SwiftKey keyboard and then go for the themes. And when we are here, we can go for the gallery and we can download one of this theme. So if you would like go, for example, for the Vivid Ladybug, you have to click right here to download. But I'm going for themes that we have actually on this MatePad, so I will go for this dark one. So click, tap on the switcher, and here we get the preview how it looks right now. And also we can customize your theme by your own picture by clicking start and picking it up from the gallery. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.